Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to add slider in WordPress homepage. The plugin that we're going to use today to create the slider is called Depictor. The benefits of this plugin is it is absolutely free. It is SEO friendly. It is very responsive and it works for every device. It has very easy editing methods. So without wasting any time, let's just go into the WordPress dashboard and let's install the plugin. First of all, we have to download the plugin from the website, and here you can see the button for download. It's free. You have to click it and download the plugin, the free version. Okay, so it is downloaded. Let's go into the WordPress and let's click on the plugins and click on add new, and then click on upload plugin. Let's choose the file that we have downloaded and let's open this, and let's click on install now. It can take a few moments, so don't worry about that. After a few seconds, the plugin will be installed. Let's go into the installed plugins. And here you can see the Depictor. Click on activate. And the plugin is activated. Now let's go into the plugin and create a slider. Let's go into the Depictor. Click on dashboard. Then click on create slider. And let's select a template. There are two options that you can use. One is the template. You can go with any of these templates. And the other one is you can create a slider with artificial intelligence, AI. Let me show you how you can create a slider very quickly with the built-in templates. I have a portfolio website. That's why I'm going to click on the portfolio. And let's choose a template. Let's select this one. Click on import. And the template is being imported. Okay, so we are in the editor. First of all, it's going to provide you a video for the tutorial to how to edit in the Depictor. And let's check the animation by clicking on the play animations. The Depictor has a huge number of library of stock photos that you can add into the slider. Here you can select any category and select the photos that you want and place them onto the slider. Here it says texts. You can add different type of text onto your slider. The next option is videos. Here we have huge number of stock videos. And what you can also do is you can add your YouTube video or Vimeo video with the link here. The next thing that we have is shapes and vectors. From here you can select any shape and put the shape onto the slider and give it any kind of animation. You can change the color and you can totally customize these shapes. The next thing that we have here is buttons. Here we have few buttons that you can simply drag and drop onto the slider and customize really quickly. If you don't want to make a new button. The next thing that we have here is controls. Here you can select different controls and you can place them to your slider. Here you have navigation arrows and navigation bullets, play and pause buttons, scroll down indicators. Okay? So these are the things that you can add to your sliders. And for the editing section, if you select any text, you can change the text really quickly to anything. You can change the font by clicking here, and here we have a lot of fonts. You can change the tag, the weight, and the size of the text. You can even change the color, the line height, letter space, alignment, and much more. You can also change the animation of this text. What you have to do is you have to go into the animation section. Here you have two types of animations. One is animation in and the second one is animation out. Each of these have 12 different animations that you can select for your text or images or anything else. Let's customize it really quickly. I want to change the picture. I don't really like the photo which is placed here. So we're going to change the photo and we're going to select a stock photo from the library. Let's click and search for filmmaking. Okay, these are the photos that we have and I think I like this one. Let's click here and place it on top of the other one. If you double click on this photo, you have the option to customize the photo to your liking. Now let me show you one more thing. If you click on anything and let's delete this. Okay, so we have messed up. The thing that you can do to make it appear again is you can just go. Here's a button that says undo. Let's click on it and the button appears again. If you do anything wrong, you just click on the undo button and everything will be alright again. And if you want to change the location of anything, you just click on it and change the location by dragging and dropping. That's how simple it is to make a slider. Okay, after making the slider, let me show you how you can publish the slider. You can go onto the publish button and click on it. It will give you a short code that you have to copy. Then what we have to do is we have to make a page and apply this short code onto there. We can edit simply by WordPress or we can also edit the page using the Elementor. Let me show you quickly how you can do that. Let's go into the WordPress dashboard. Let's click on the pages and click add new. Let's name it really quickly. And let's click on this plus icon. And here it says shortcode. Here you have to paste the shortcode that you have copied and click on publish. And let's view the page. And this is the slider that we have made. If you want to edit the slider in Elementor, it is also very easy. Let me show you how you can do that. Let's go into the WordPress dashboard. And let's go into the pages. Here you can see the page that we have made. It is called slider. Let's click on edit. And let's click on edit with Elementor. Okay, so we are in the Elementor, and you might be wondering. Okay, so we are in the Elementor, and you might be wondering where's your slider. Let me show you how you can add the slider really quickly. Let's go into the search bar and search for shortcode. Drag and drop this button onto your page. And where it says enter your shortcode, just paste the code that you have copied and click on apply. Let's click on preview changes. So that is how to add a slider onto your WordPress homepage for free. If you learned something new today, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. For now, peace.